Hey guys, we're going to do vocab real quick. We just have 5 words here. You've probably heard of some of these words before, but I just wanted to kind of bring them back into light and to help you review them. So our first word we're going to be talking about is autotrophs. Autotrophs are any organisms that make their own food, specifically plants. Okay, so anything that can take energy from the sun and make food from it, that is considered an autotroph. Heterotrophs is our next word. So those are organisms that eat other organisms to get energy. Okay, so that would be anything that eats anything else. So like we are considered heterotrophs because we have to eat other organisms or other things in order to get energy for us. Herbivore is our next word. Okay, these are organisms that only eat plants. Okay, it could be things like bunnies, squirrels, deer, cows. Okay, anything that's only going to eat plants. Carnivores is our next word. Those are organisms that are only going to eat meat. Okay, things like lions, tigers, wolves, coyotes. Okay, so things that only eat meat. We are not carnivores because we also eat fruits and vegetables. Okay, so that's something other than meat. So we are considered omnivores. So omnivores are organisms that eat both plants and animals. Another example would be of an omnivore would be like a bear. Bears eat berries. They also eat fish. Okay, so that would be another example of an omnivore. Okay, so that's just a quick run through of your 5 vocab words. We will talk about these in class, but there they are for you.